Hey there, fellow transcription enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself racing against the clock while transcribing, then this video is just for you. Today, we're diving into the transcriber's time warp, where we'll reveal some fantastic tips and techniques to help you type faster and become a transcription speedster. Let's get started. Set up your workspace for efficiency. The first step to beating the clock is creating an efficient workspace. Organize your desk. Position your keyboard and monitor ergonomically, and keep essential tools within reach. A well-optimized workspace can improve your typing speed and overall productivity. Master touch typing. If you're not already a touch typist, now's the time to learn. Mastering touch typing will help you keep your eyes on the text instead of the keyboard, allowing you to type faster and with fewer errors. Familiarize yourself with the audio. Before you start typing, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the audio content. Listen to a few minutes of the audio to get a sense of the speaker's pace, accent, and speech patterns. This will help you anticipate words and phrases, leading to faster transcription. Use transcription software and shortcuts. Transcription software can be a real game changer. Invest in a good transcription tool that offers shortcuts, auto-punctuation, and time-saving features. Learning and utilizing keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your typing process. Pause, rewind, and repeat. Don't hesitate to pause, rewind, and repeat the audio as needed. Don't rush to keep up with the speaker, it's better to ensure accuracy than to sacrifice quality for speed. Focus on phrases, not individual words. Instead of focusing on each word individually, try to type in phrases. This approach will improve the flow of your transcription and help you maintain a steady typing speed. Train your ears and brain. Transcription is not just about typing, it's also about training your ears and brain to process speech efficiently. Engage in regular listening exercises to sharpen your audio comprehension skills. Utilize time coding for complex sections. For challenging sections of the audio, consider using time coding to mark the timestamp. This allows you to revisit those sections later without disrupting your typing flow. Set achievable goals. Be realistic about your typing speed goals. Set achievable targets and challenge yourself to improve gradually. Celebrate your progress along the way. Take breaks and stay relaxed. Taking short breaks during long transcription sessions is essential. Relax your fingers, stretch, and rest your eyes to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, transcription speed improves with practice. Regularly challenge yourself with different audio files and topics to boost your efficiency. Get feedback and learn from others. Seek feedback from experienced transcriptionists or peers. Learning from others' techniques and experiences can provide valuable insights to enhance your speed and accuracy. And there you have it, transcription speedsters. By implementing these tips from the transcriber's time warp, you'll be well on your way to beating the clock and typing faster than ever before. If you found these strategies helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more transcription tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy transcribing and may you warp through time with your speedy typing skills.